Hello everyone, this is Demi from Landpack Machinery. We specialize in packing machines with over 60 years worth experience and can offer you professional packaging solutions. And today I would like to show you our mini Doypack packing machine. It can pack for granular products such as rice, grain, grain powder, and tea, and so on. It's also suitable for different kinds of Premade bag, like size sealing pouch, standard pouch with zipper or without zipper, like this. The machine consists of both three parts. This Z-Type Conveyor, 4 heads in the rear, main packer. Let's see one by one. This Z-Type Conveyor for material feeding. Its blade is stainless steel. You could see there is a hopper here. The hopper will feed materials into food-grade rice cans through vibrating function. The capacity of its cans is 2 liters, and the products will be transported to the rear. The second part is 4 heads in the rear. It's with 3 liters measuring hopper. The capacity of hopper depends on your need. It's one hopper is with one weighing function. It can measure the target weight you set. Colorful touchscreen is adopted. Multi-language system can be selected based on customer requests. You can set some parameters, line speed, meshing rate here. And next to it is bag holding device. You can put pouches into here. It can be for different sizes of Premade bag through adjusting these screws. More important part is here. Just single working station to finish all processes: filling, painting, and sealing. First, bag given from vertical bag holding device, and then opening the bags and zippers through these suckers. And the products will be filled into the bags. And the printer will print its production dates and expiry dates. Finally, heat sealing and the finished product outputs like this.
好，可以停咗啦嘛？
Okay, above are for my introduction. The mini Doypack packing machine is more cost-effective and safe place, which is suitable for new business beginners. If you are interested in this type machine, please contact us below website.